Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is the general reading for Aquarius for the month of March 2021. This reading includes all the 4 weeks of March. So let's see what cards have to say. All right, Aquarius. So this is the card of the month, the energy of the month. That is the Knight of Cups reversed. So I see here some kind of instability related to your emotions. You know, either in one part of your life maybe you are too happy, but another part of your life is extreme. You are too sad. So you really want to be in the middle. You might pray that in the other part which is too sad, make it at least average, at least this should be there. So that kind of a thing I see here. Moving ahead, your first week cards are Star Reverse, Ten of Pentacles, Ten of Cups, and King of Cups. So I feel that maybe your family life is good, and maybe the other part of your life is not too good. Maybe your job, your studies, or something else is not good. And because it is not good, maybe you are constantly manifesting it. It's something that you have done. You constantly, maybe you were too scared of the good things in your life that you kept on thinking about the negative aspect about it. So it's we who create this kind of an energy around us. So you need to be little positive about things, think good, wish for something good, and things will happen, because I see a very happy and emotionally satisfied family life, and you are at a position which you are keeping your family uptight and being very happy and content with whatever you have. So you are able to give whatever they want here, but there is still one area, I think, of your life which is not giving you the best of everything. Before moving towards the other weeks, I will request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. The cards for second weeks are Knight of Swords, Page of Pentacles, and Ten of Swords. So I see here a suggestion first, that don't try to rush into things. Your energy is also very very slow energy, so don't try to rush into things, because if you rush into things you might make some immature decision that is going to ruin everything. So there is pain in some area of your life, as I told you. So if you really want to get over it, because this is the 10th card, this is the last phase. After this, pain is going to be over, no more of it. This is the maximum it can go. So if you try to rush into things, it is not going to do any good. So go step by step, be a little slow. Don't just force yourself into something. Just be a little slow and just wait if required. The third week cards are Queen of Cups reversed, the Magician, and Four of Pentacles reversed. I see here again, I don't know why, but you know, situation might be such that you might end up doing something. You might feel that this is good, I should do this, and this is going to make things okay. You might end up showing your skills to somebody, maybe in a job or so, and that might, you might feel that you have shown how good you are, but ultimately things might turn on the other side. The it might create problems for you rather. So try not to go fast in any particular area. Take your time. Be a little submissive. Don't show what skills you have, what ideas you have, what projects you want to work on, because it is only going to create trouble, because some other people around you, maybe they don't want these things to happen. So if it is your idea, someone might, if you show your idea to someone, they might steal it, or even if it is too good, they don't want you to grow, so they might just create some kind of an insecurity in your life. So it's better to wait for the right opportunity. Be a little submissive right now. Moving ahead, the fourth week cards are Judgment, the Emperor reversed, and the Three of Wands reversed. So in the fourth week, you might feel that some kind of a good opportunity has gone from your hand. You you could have been in a position which might have served you better, but something has gone, and some opportunity has just slipped from your hand. But trust me, this is for your own good. Right now this might seem that things are not happening in your favor, and this is not what you expected, and this is not good, but actually in reality this is all really really good. It is right now you might not realize, but in near future you will be able to realize that whatever has happened here is for your own good. So that's about it. Still, if you have any doubt, you can write to us in the comment box, and for the daily and the personalized readings you can follow us on Instagram. So do subscribe and follow. Good luck.